In this video, I'll show you how you can fix the freeze every time that you log out of a game on Discord. Now, first, what you need to do is you need to open up Discord and go into user settings. From in here, you're going to scroll down and find voice and video. From voice and video, scroll down all the way until you find debug logging. You're going to make sure this is disabled, restart your Discord, then go back into settings. Then you're going to scroll down to advanced. From in here, turn off hardware acceleration. Now from in here, you're going to close down Discord completely. So here and search for Discord, right click, open file location, right click again to open file location. And from in here, you're going to select the latest app here. As you can see, this is the latest one for me. You're going to open it, find the application called Discord, the application, not the icon. Right click, properties, compatibility, check this box and select Windows 8. Check this box as well, apply, and OK. Now, close down Discord and open it again, and hopefully this will solve your issue. And if you enjoyed the video, please like and subscribe as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.